Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium, Chapter 6 in Grammar. What is the chapter name? Chapter name is Verbs. What? Verbs. I have explained different kinds of verbs: main verb, auxiliary verb, linking verb, non-finite verbs. And today I explain the more on page number 50 and 51. So here talk about the transitive verb. What? Transitive verb. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb are words that require objects to complete their meaning. Yesterday I already said what is transitive verb. Transitive verbs required objects to complete their meaning. The action of transitive verbs is passed on to the object in the sentence. Okay, now see the example. Here given the example. Raj kicked the ball. Raj kicked the ball. So what is verb here? Raj is subject, kicked is verb, and the ball is object. If you don't know what is the object in a sentence, already I have told you yesterday. Find how we find the object. Ask the question with what, but you should aware of the tense. Here through the verb we can find it, which tense it is. Here given the past form. So what did Raj kick? What did Raj kick? We find the answer. What? The ball. So the ball is the object and the sentence is the transitive verb. One more example here given. Rama ate the bitter chocolate. Rama ate the bitter chocolate. So chocolate is the object. How? Bitter is adjective. Given the information, the chocolate, how it is. Rama ate is a verb, past form, and Rama is subject. So Rama is subject, ate verb, other word, chocolate, object. What did Rama eat? Chocolate, with the bitter chocolate. So chocolate is the object. So this is the transitive verbs. After subject we use, and an object is needed in the transitive verb. Now comes to the sub part. Transitive verbs are two kinds. How many kinds? Two kinds. Monotransitive verbs and detransitive verbs. Yesterday I have discussed with you the transitive and detransitive. Okay, first monotransitive verbs. Take only one object, like that. Only one object is needed in monotransitive. Sital lifted the heavy bag. Sital lifted the heavy bag. So Sital is subject, lifted verb, heavy bag. Bag is noun. So object is bag. Monotransitive verb needed only one object. Okay. Now comes to detransitive verb. What is detransitive? Take a direct object and an indirect object to make complete sense. How many objects? There are two objects needed in this form, detransitive verb. Now look at here the example. Give this book to me. You know about the object. If object number 1 and object number 2. Object number 2 is noun or pronoun, and object number 1 is always things like this: book, pen, bag. This is the object here. Look at here. Object, bag, chocolate, ball. This is the object number 1. And what is the object number 2? Noun or pronoun. See, like this, me. Him, me, them, like that. Okay, so give this book to me. Give is verb, book. Book is object, so object number 1, and me is here object number 2. So this is how we form the detransitive verb using two objects in a sentence. How? See the example. I give you a pen. I give you a pen. So here I. What is I? I is subject. Give is verb. Here you is object and pen. Pen is a thing, so object. So pen is object number 1. Things always is object number 1, main object, and you is object number 2. So detransitive verbs you find there are two objects in a sentence. One is main object, object number 1 comes to things, and object number 2 is noun or pronoun. Now comes to the exercise here. Identify transitive and detransitive verbs along with their objects in the following sentences. Mention the direct and indirect objects in case of detransitive verb. If we find the detransitive verb, we mention the direct and indirect object. If there are two objects in a sentence, we already said this is the sentence of detransitive verb. And things, we find the things, that is the direct, and we find the noun or pronoun, that is the indirect object. Okay, now comes to the first. I visited the place where the famous poet Kabir was born. So here the verb visited, main verb is used, visited. Underline the word visited. Okay, this visited verb is used. So this is the which transitive and detransitive along with their object in the following sentence. So this is the what? Transitive verb. We ask the question if we don't know about the object, what? If we do not make the question with what? Here using the place where the famous poet Kabir was born, that is not the object. Okay, so this is the, underline the word visited, and this is the transitive verb. What? Transitive verb. Now in the second, she offered me a cup of tea. See, tea and me, and verb is offered. What? Verb is offered. So here detransitive verb. Which? Detransitive verb. And here direct object, do, means direct object, and indirect object. Direct object is what? Direct object is here a cup of tea. A cup of tea is direct object. A cup of tea. And what is indirect object here? Indirect object is me. So this is the detransitive. Now comes to number 3. Could you please lend Mimi your book? Now underline the verb could and lend. Could and lend is the verb. Now look at here, the word Mimi is used and your book. So your book is object number 1 and Mimi is object number 2. Means indirect object. Mimi is indirect object, and this is your book is direct object. Verb is could and lend. Your book is direct object and Mimi is indirect object. So what is this word? Detransitive verb. Which word? Detransitive verb. Now comes to number 4. Listen carefully when your teacher delivers the lesson. Listen carefully when your teacher is a singular here, teacher, who talk about teacher. So teacher is noun, and what is verb? Verb is delivers. Delivers is the verb. So here not given any object. So this is the transitive sentence. What? Transitive. Verb is transitive verb used. Number 5, Hamida bought me an ice cream. Now see, bought. Bought is the verb. Here given an ice cream and me. So this is the detransitive verb. What? Detransitive verb. And ice cream is direct object and me is indirect object. Okay? And verb. What verb? Verb is detransitive verb. If we find two objects in a sentence, so the verb is detransitive. Comes to number 6. I saw you waiting outside my house. I saw you waiting outside my house. So here given after subject. Subject is I. So is verb. You waiting outside my house. Make the question with what? Find the main verb. What did I saw outside my house? There is no answer of the what. What did I see outside, waiting outside my house? There is no answer of the what. So here given only indirect object, you. Not given the direct object. So we can say this is the detransitive. Here given the transitive. In number 6, the verb use so. And this number 6 is transitive verb. Now comes to number 7. John helped Mira with her studies. So here helped word is used. Help what? Mira. Just like the 6th sentence. Number 6 here given you. So number 7 is also transitive. How? Look at this. John helped. Mira is indirect object. With her study. No, talk about with her study. Here not given the direct object. So this is indirect object is given but not given the direct object. How we find the direct object? Asking the question with what? What did John help? We can't ask like that. So help is the transitive verb. Number 8. Please pass me the book. Here the word pass. Pass is the verb. Pass is the verb. Please is word. Pass the word. Here given the book, thing, and me is object. So book is direct object and me is indirect object. Me is indirect object. If you ask the question with what? What do I pass? The book. We ask the question whom? So me is the answer. Okay, now comes to number 9. J.R.R. Tolkien wrote the fantasy adventure novel called The Lord of the Rings. J.R.R. Here given the verb. Which verb? Wrote is the verb. So the fantasy adventure novel called The Lord of the Rings. Not given any object. Wrote. This is the transitive verb. Number 9. Now number 10. Question. Did you leave a note for him? So here use the verb is did and leave. This is the verb. This is the verb. Okay. So this is the transitive verb. Here asking the question. Okay. This is the transitive verb. Did you leave a note for him? Here given for him. That is why if given to him. So use detransitive. Okay. 11. I have to find a place to live. I have to find means have to find is the verb. And to live is infinitive. So place is a direct object, not given the indirect object. Okay. So have to find is the transitive verb. Now question number 12. I ate. Ate is the verb. I ate 5 cupcakes with a cup of tea. Cupcake is a given direct object, not given the indirect object. So this ate is the transitive verb. So students, this is the exercise of unit 6. identifying the transitive detransitive verb. If given only verb, that is called transitive and detransitive verb along with their object is given. If given only one object, that is the transitive verb. If given two objects in a sentence, so this is the detransitive verb, we can say. I hope you understand about this exercise and write this exercise in your notebook. Thank you.